Hi, my name is John Sinden. I'm doing my very first gear video. I'm taking a trip to New Hampshire's White Mountains. I'm doing a 2-leg trip. I'm doing 4 days doing the Presidential Traverse, and then I'm doing a 2-day Franconia Notch Ridge Trail. Staying in Appalachian Mountain Club huts the whole way, which is new for me because I normally do traditional backpacking. So it's going to be kind of a luxury trip. Because they feed me breakfast and dinner at the huts, and I don't need a sleeping bag or tent. So I'll be carrying less stuff, which is nice. But I'm making up for the weight bringing all kinds of warm clothes, which I normally don't bring because I do most of my hiking in the Sierras. So I don't really worry about rain gear that much and minimal warm clothing. So I'm not sure which backpack I'm bringing yet. I want to see if I could pack it where I could fit everything in the smaller 3-pound pack, Camelback. And this is the Camelback Vantage 40. It's the biggest one they make. It's basically a short trip backpacking backpack. That's 5 pounds. So I want to try to cut the 2 pounds out of pack weight and see if I could get everything in here where I could balance my weight good enough, because the White Mountains trails are pretty hairy sometimes, so I want to make sure that my weight's distributed good. Otherwise, I'll just eat the 2 pounds. Okay, here's my sleep system. I have Patagonia fairly thick, long sleeve, long pants. I wear these fleece socks to bed. If I have to, I'll wear my Under Armour extreme cold beanie. If we have bad weather like snow and sleet, I have my fleece hoodie, and I have a thin pair of socks and a thicker pair of socks, so I can wear them both at the same time. And I have a lightweight, very packable down jacket, which is very warm. And here's my hiking long sleeve. I have a couple of these. I have mountain Patagonia, I have mountain gear, thin, lightweight, but warm synthetic shirts. And here's one of those like starter compression shirts that are thinner, that are good for a base layer. Here's my my thick Under Armour shirt and pants, long sleeve shirt and pants. My socks are compression socks. I like these the most because they give me really good ankle support. And I also have some of these Eastern Mountain Sport socks, which are real comfortable too. A camp towel to wash up in the huts at the end of the day. A silk sheet, which I'm not positive I'm taking yet. It's 3.5 ounces. I'm not sure what I'm doing yet. 2 rain jackets, thin ones, rain pants. I have bad knees, so I'm bringing 2 heavy knee braces and copper fit knee braces, which I just recently have acquired. Here's my hiking shorts for the trail, Columbia synthetic shorts. I have a Sawyer Mini for my water treatment if I need it during the day. I'm bringing a 100-ounce Camelback to start out in the morning, and if I need more, I'll have this if I come across some water. It's got the syringe in it, it's got a collapsible bag, and I cut off the top of a water bottle so I can scoop water if I need to, and the straw that comes with it. Here is an empty small Gatorade bottle so I can mix my vitamin C, Energy C drinks. Guess I'll just go right into food. I have Cliff Bar Energy Shot gel packs, and I have a couple of the Stinger gel packs. Excuse me. Swedish Fish, a few dark chocolate candy bars, some garlic bagel chips, some Archway bite-sized chocolate chip toppers, which are awesome. A Pro Bar meal bar, some Jelly Belly sport beans, some Stingray waffles, a couple different kinds, and I always bring crystallized ginger because the medication that I'm on makes me nauseous a lot, so I have to make sure I have ginger to settle my stomach. And peanut butter Snicker bars. And these things I'm trying to, the Cliff Shot Blocks Energy Chews. I'm going to see how they go. And a Sam Splint I always bring, throw it in the bottom of my pack, just in case I might need it. And there is my Skeletal, which is my new knife. Because now that I use walking poles, I might need pliers. Because last year one got jammed on me and I had to wait till I found somebody with pliers. And that replaces my Swiss Army knife. Faux carabiners to hang stuff. Lip balm, which I've been using for 20 something years now. I love it. It's Savex, it's sunblock. An emergency whistle. And an extra bag of trail clothes, another shirt, underwear, socks. I have 3 different compression bags over there. A big one and 2 medium ones. And my pack weight. That's pretty much everything I'm taking. Oh, and my camera bag, which camcorder I'm using right now. And then I got plenty of batteries. I got extra batteries for my phone instead of trying to charge them on the trail somewhere. And just a point and shoot camera with some batteries. A Canon, which I really like. My camera stuff is a little heavy because of all the batteries I bring, but I like to camcord and take a lot of pictures, so it's a weight that I'm happy with. Okay, well, if I use the small backpack, everything, food, water, with my 100-ounce bladder filled with water and all my food and everything, it's 27 pounds, which is a little heavy for not having a tent and sleeping bag. Because I like to stay at 30 pounds, even regular backpacking. But I'm throwing in a few extra novelty items for this trip, since I don't have to worry about sleeping stuff. And those are my trekking poles, Leckies, Maldonas. I like them. They worked out good last year. I just got them last year. In the White Mountains I used them, and they worked out really good. I was glad I had them. And like I said, the other backpack is 2 pounds heavier, so it's either going to be 27 pounds or 29 pounds for total of everything. And that is my gear video for the White Mountain Appalachian Mountain Club hut trip. Happy trails.